doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter. Aku boleh secu. Kalau tu cara finally. I don't know why no sabuli. Why no sabuli lori doesn't make sense this way. Give it the back. It's a mistake. Chutando. I do not know. So what did you do from baking powder from Royal? Tell her to give you no. One more time. Three more times. Just a little bit. Yo, sharp. Yo, kala kapu win na mo. Chon. Mano. Skakala sama Irela mainho. Eu tento que musiquinha. Hihi. Não sou sweet. Eu não fiz muito. I use it from the screen. Yeah, I take this one. It's assim. Ele sa kama haras ko tlo seo. Tsensa yes, hore tshulele ka mo. Yeah. It's a two. It's a two. Sorry, le phumula mo fetsa. No. Será que eu vou tentando? Oh, hello, bit. itswa ka gona lwela gore mafura ka tshela jang ga o tshele thata ntse re tshela piece too much stuff yeah yes tshela nyane tshela nyane o kgona go bona gore tshela Estamos yo cozinhando. And this, you do this so that the mafura keep the oil. So that the oil and all over the pan. Almost. Because if you do bang into it, you don't do that when I'm fat. Okay. Stop doing it. Oh, whatever you do. It's ready to rest. Filmela bianca. Yeah, that's how you feel. Let's get it under there. Under there. Yeah. That blend. told you to play.
Don't crash the car. It's okay. I won't crash. Trust me.
Go, go, go.
Sure. Yeah, here, Bambi, here.
Sitting well.
Oh, I forgot to change my. No, it's yeah, I'm done. You can.
How do I wake myself? No. Abanyenzani? Woo!
Bali. What is this? What?
The bands. The bands. Otherwise, we're gonna. Hello, everyone. Hello, loved people. I hope you're all good. It is the Babisa Mbana. Anyway, I hope everyone is good. It's the 2nd of July. Birthday month. That was my birthday yesterday. So I didn't vlog. I had a beautiful day with my family. And today's the next day. We move. Washing the washing machine. It's very dirty. It needs that. Oh, I'm washing the washing machine, and then I think I'm going to. Should I? I want to make dumpling today. I'm not sure, but I want to do that because I want us to have it ka soap in the evening. I'll see. Anyway, so yesterday was my birthday, guys, and I was reflecting. As I was reflecting, my hand is very tired. Let me do this. Okay, so I had to change rooms because the washing machine is making a lot of noise that side. I hope I'm audible enough. So yesterday I was reflecting, ne? Or I'm alive today because of the grace of God. I'm alive. I am like my peers didn't make it. I am 38 years of age. 38. Not a lot of people can say that. Like, people don't live to see this age. Fair, you know? So, it is the grace of God, and God must have a purpose for my life still, for me to see another year of grace. Wow. So, yeah, I was reflecting. Ke nahana hore for how many years, man? I don't know, since I can remember. I've been living on autopilot, or I've been living on autopilot, for lack of a better word. Ne? I haven't been slowing down and taking in bophelo ba ka, you know, and taking it in for what it is. I only realized that 3 months back, to say, Gail, your life is actually good. You are living a pretty good life because of the hand of the Lord that is upon your life. Because of His grace, you are living a pretty good life. But for the past, I don't know how many years, I haven't been seeing that. I haven't been taking that in. I feel like the reason I've been stressed and thinking, no, I want this. I haven't achieved this. Why is this happening to my life? Why am I not getting what? You know, especially the unemployment situation. I think that has been the thing that consumed my mind more than anything. So I haven't been able to sit and say, thank you, Lord, for my life. I appreciate my life. I love it. It was only 3 months back when I started realizing how good my life is because of the grace of God, and how good my life is because of the goodness of God to me and my family. And I get a name, man. Actually, Lord, thank you for my life. You know, I really started appreciating Ganit, like honestly and truthfully. I really started appreciating my life then, like 3 months back. Was it 2 months back? It's not very long back. And yeah, I really started saying, you know what, I'm living a good life, my life is good. And I thank you, Lord. You know, I have everything I need. I might not have what I want or everything that I want. I might not be where I want to be, but I'm where God needs me to be. And I have everything I need, and I am equipped for where I am now. So, yeah, man, an interesting reflection to ponder upon. Like, actually, you haven't been living the good life that God has given you, you know? So, yeah, man. To anyone out there who's just stressing out about their lives, stressing about time, you know, God is not confined by time. He doesn't move kanako, you know. It's time is for us, but he can bypass time. And he's not too late, he's not too early, he's always on time. So to anyone who thinks that time is running out or things are just not working out, listen, enjoy your life right where you are, appreciate it, and thank God that you're alive because He is good to you. Thank God that you have what you need now. Doesn't matter what you want. Okay, maybe it does matter, but what you need is more important than what you want. So thank God that you have everything that you need right now. And yeah, man, let's just live and appreciate the life that God has given us and stop stressing ourselves about things that probably God doesn't care about, or care about for us. So yeah, man, let's appreciate life and be grateful for it. It's whether you see it now or you don't, you have a good life. You have a good life. As unemployed as you are, as wanting whatever you want as you wanted, you have a good life. And just see it, man. See it, appreciate it. Look at your life as God sees it. It's beautiful. He's the one that gave it to you. Appreciate it. Love it. And do the right. Oh. 38 years of grace. Anyway. And also, this 38-year-old is going to run her first marathon pretty soon. Ooh, Letiaka. I am going to run my first marathon very soon. Very soon, Shane. July, I'm unstoppable. I have told myself since yesterday, but I did go run. Was it a run or was it a walk? On Monday, yeah, I went for a walk on Monday. And then I promised myself, I said, listen, the whole of July, you're going to wake up and you are going to either run or walk, to prepare yourself for the marathons that are coming. That's what I'm doing at my big age. Yes, at my big age. It's a dream, guys. It's a dream. Wait, if I run the Comrades Horn here and the two oceans, dreams come true. So, but I know it's gonna happen. The Lord is going to make it happen for me. Like me, why am Well, my life is a miracle. If I told you guys, yeah, my life is a miracle. So miracles do happen. Miracles do happen, and I know that dream of running the Comrades Marathon and the two oceans, it's definitely going to happen. Might not have happened when I was 30 years old. Might not have happened when I was 37 years old. But who knows? It might happen when I'm 38 years old. This is so surreal. I'm 38 years old. So surreal. I've been waiting for a while now to be 38. Because people will be asking me how old I am. And I'll say I'm 38. I'm working at 37. You hope I'm working at 36. They don't noise. I'm working at 36. Oh, someone puts this out on a guy. Oh, secret can at 38. 38 must be my age, no? It must be. And I know kila pilo, but she never. I think I'm going to sleep. Yesterday I was wearing my presents. Yesterday I was wearing my presents that my mom and my husband bought to me. Yeah. I'm surprised I still don't expect anything from anyone, but yet they always gift me, especially Ay, God bless his soul. Yo, my husband always does something for me, guys. Like, I honestly don't expect it. I'm not gonna lie. I don't expect anyone to do anything for me. Like, I don't know, so you know, I'm definitely expecting a lot from God. I'm expecting something. Like, you formed me in my mother's womb, so I'm definitely expecting a lot from you. But from people, shame, man. They're just like me. They were also formed in their mother's wombs. So I'm not expecting stuff on my birthday from others. Well, it's a lot, man. It's a lot. Like, can't be doing that. So yeah, they came through. I got presents. My sister-in-law brought the presents Monday. Amaze balls. And then my mom, this is a present, the Mavani, the present. My husband also gave me my presents yesterday. So it was amazing, man. I don't know. It's just like a vlog and birthday. I don't know. That would be the hits me. I cannot, for the life of me, vlog my birthdays. I can't. I don't know why, but I can't. So yeah, man. I guess it's what I'm choosing to show online. Must be. Okay, so let me like a pillow and just think about whether I'm going to make dumpling or not. Okay, sure. There's the time there. Okay, quarter past 12. If I am making dumpling, I start to do like 2. Yeah. So that I give it enough time. The 2. Yep. Here we have it. Mara slippers kan je sing guys. So kamu ringai. Slippers sing sai, se white se. So kamu ring. So guys job. O creche nasa sama gazi o creche nasa mira te pi. Nasa sama gazi o nailo tela ya. Nailo ralo kajwa. Iko se show se kamu ring se so. dit stukkies uit is geven. Smell vinegar in here. Tamarind. I don't know. Why Renee? Here. That's much better. Much better. Much better. Hey, for sure, so better than what it was in the beginning. Yeah. Go hectic mfowethu. I think maybe ka re ke ntse sebaka ke sa attention. So obviously a go tlo nna monate. Ew. 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 Ew, bathong. Ew. Nna go wa ditšhila. Ew. Tsalambo. Phew. Sis. Molao. Ew, gape. Yo. Things fell in here. Another type of soup today. Whenever it's on you. Soup mix. I'm making soup mix today with dumpling. Yeah. didn't destroy the whole world. Yeah, it works. Hey guys, remember there was a plant I was boasting about? Kere, hey, hey, you guys get it for 1 point mamang and 2 point mamang, and I got it for free. I don't know what I did wrong, but it seems like I I gave it a whole lot of water. I think when I googled, it said, "Hore, maybe I overwatered it or something like that." So now I decided to get it out of the water and plant it in soil, and then I'll get nutrients for it. I don't know when. So I will get nutrients for my plants hopefully soon. And yeah, so I'm just planting it outside in soil. Hopefully it'll grow leaves back, because all those leaves, all those beautiful, amazing leaves fell off. They dried and they and they fell off. Yeah. You know what? I'm glad I am such a hopeful person. I'm hopeful, and I think I'm also resilient, hey, to actually hope and think that this plant, look at that guys, happy sticky fell, that this plant will eventually grow those beautiful leaves back again. I Shem, I must have some kind of crazy faith going on. But we'll see. We'll see if this work. I don't know what. I don't know, eh? I don't know what tells me or gives me hope that, you know what, this thing will rise again from the dead. But I believe so much that it will rise again from the dead. I don't even know if I planted it correctly. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I don't. But you know what? I will learn and I'll get it right eventually. That's what's going on there.
Now we have to give. Now we have to make a product to this one.
What do I do? What do I do? This is gonna work. If it works, then it means I am a genius. Sure, we'll see.
When I was sitting in things, they're cleaning it dirty. Up the tube! Up the tube!
Dandu, my hands are squeaky.
Yeah, and
I want Dando. No, get off that thing. Wow. This is the first time I'm trying dumpling in soup. And oh my gosh. Ke kapo ela nisitse. So ke tsere ke irile into two. But it's big, ne? Yo, hore ka mo go ba huge mos. These things are going to be humongous. If ntwe e tswa ka mo kapong e one. Di le tse gima bjana. Hey, Dando. But anyway, I'd see it. I'd see it. These are huge. Nice and big.